In the past year, men's skincare regimes have evolved greatly. It largely just consisted of aftershave, and that's about it. With years of research and longevity in the skincare industry, everyone has come to a mutual understanding that we should take great care of the suits that we came in. Our bodies are highly intelligent. It's useful, it's resourceful, you can pack muscle on it, fight viruses and bacteria, and we have our own armies called the immune system. But it can come with its flaws, ranging from person to person. For us guys, that does tend to be dry skin, which can be excessive at times. It's common, but irritating. Our skin feels flaky, itchy, uncomfortable, and none of us wants to be wearing snakeskin on our faces. Also, did you know that scaly and cracked skin is a vulnerable point of entry to dangerous pathogens? Yeah, not great. The good news is, there are plenty of ways to take care of these troubles. Fairly simple solutions too, but you do have to be careful picking your products. So, my job is helping to make sure that you're focusing on the right ingredients for your skin. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and jojoba oil. In this video today, we're going to focus primarily on hyaluronic acid and how it's especially important in taking care of your skin. Hyaluronic acid, also known as hyaluronan, is a gooey-like substance that your body naturally produces. You'll tend to find the largest amounts of hyaluronic acids in your eyes, connective tissue, and also your skin. It does retain water, which a lot of guys looking for a lean physique may not like, but water retention through hyaluronic acid actually helps out a lot with keeping our tissues well lubricated. Many people tend to take it as a supplement, but it does have a wide array of other uses. You can use it as eye drops or injections, but mostly it's used as a topical serum. Hyaluronic acid's concentrate increases when we have damage on our skin. Healing dry skin sounds awesome, but it does get even better. It can help our wounds heal faster by regulating inflammation levels. This basically tells the body, hey, this area is damaged and we need to build more blood vessels in that area. So, it plays a key role in wound healing. Studies show it's been known to dramatically reduce knee pain in people with osteoarthritis between 40 to 70 years old. Now, if it can do this for your cracking knees, imagine what it can do for your cracking skin. Here's the holy grail though. Hyaluronic acid directly contributes to aging. It can even help reduce wrinkles. Dr. Davin Lim explained it perfectly. But to explain it in short and simple terms, he basically describes that hyaluronic acid is one of the top building blocks in your dermis. The dermis is located below the epidermis, and that's the one that is directly responsible for aging. So, if you smoke or you don't regularly apply sunscreen, that can speed up the aging process, which increases your wrinkles and fine lines. Because of this, the foundations that maintain the dermis starts to get degraded. So that's why replenishing your body with natural hyaluronic acid with moisturizers and serums is important to providing your skin with that needed rejuvenation. It sounds amazing, because it is, and our body requires it. But using it by itself wouldn't be a smart way to go about it, as it could actually harm your skin instead of helping it. You see, hyaluronic acid works by absorbing the moisture. Like a scrub or sponge, it soaks it in. So if you have dry skin combined with a dry climate, what it will do is absorb the moisture from the skin instead of pulling towards it. What this will lead to essentially is the opposite effect, which contradicts the purpose hyaluronic acid is intended for. It will leave the skin thirsty and dry, and if you're not drinking enough water in the day, it could harm the aging process. Therefore, it is adamant you combine hyaluronic acid with other products. If your skin is already dry, you could indeed be doing more harm than good. A great addition to use in conjunction with hyaluronic acid is aloe vera in the form of a moisturizer. Aloe vera is perhaps one of the most widely used herbal treatments for topical skin conditions. Aloe is known to be a natural moisturizer for its extremely hydrating properties. It absorbs fast into the skin, even for oily and acne-prone skin. So when you skip out on the sunscreen and land yourself some sunburn, chances are you should be turning to aloe vera to help take care of that. Its gooey and soft substance makes it a joy to apply on our skin. Its stems help store water, clearing a clear substance that contains antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's been used as a skin moisturizer for decades. If you combine aloe vera oil with hyaluronic acid in your morning routine, you create a beast of a skincare routine that protects your skin from dehydration while simultaneously promoting a strong water binding capacity. Jojoba oil is another excellent ingredient for your skin. It's a humescent ingredient, meaning it's able to seal your skin with a protective barrier to keep it from losing moisture. It deeply penetrates to soothe and soften the skin, whilst providing an excellent moisturizing effect and adding a healthy glow. If you'd like us to go into more detail about these ingredients and their benefits, let us know in the comments down below. Well everyone, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Our business specializes in skincare for both women and men, and we have a large range of products from creams to serums and facial masks to help you have and maintain healthy skin. We combine a variety of all the most beneficial ingredients like jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, green tea, and more to suit your daily skincare needs. Be sure to check them out and expect more videos in the future talking about skincare, correct application, and much more. We've gone ahead and left some links in the description so you can go and check out some of our products. Be sure to check them out and expect more videos in the future talking about skincare, correct application, and much more. To stay up to date, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Take care.